Join us as we visit Nassau for the very first time today, and stay tuned as we return back to Coco Cay, where we're off to Hideaway Beach. Unfortunately, it looks like we brought the weather with us from home, as it's forecast rain all day. We have no excursions booked here in Nassau, so we've just got off the ship to look around the new port makeover and visit the famous straw market. That's it for the dough, isn't it? Our first impressions here, we have to say, were a little underwhelming. I guess the weather does have a huge part to play with the atmosphere here. You'll not struggle to find a place to get that fancy Bahamas drink, as virtually every vendor is selling it. And some of the huts were shut, so we just felt it lacked variety to offer. And as the rain increases, it's back to the ship for us, sadly. So, to try something different, we're headed to Playmakers to grab a bite and a beer.
Okay, so what I want
Playmakers fries.
Which celebrity? Which celebrity? I work there before. I work in Millennium Constellation and Reflection.
Alright, we went on
already.
We've been on Edge and then we've just not been on Beyond.
Oh, Beyond, the new one, the 8 class. That's the big one.
Yeah. James, with Coco.
Anything else?
Playmaker fries. I'll leave the pockets. I know, you're interested.
Anything else for you?
No, that's it. Sorry?
Celebrity is expensive.
Yeah, we got, because we went quite slightly out of season, it was close to $2. But yeah, they're not cheap.
Really expensive. Almost retired guests there. All retired guests in celebrity. They look like an anniversary wedding or birthday.
Yeah.
Like a function. I like this lady, Captain Kid. Sometimes they come into Martini bar. In the bar, they put like the glass and then only in celebrity. Not in loyal, celebrity.
When we're on the Edge Martini bar, that was really good.
Edge, Beyond, Affect, and the other one. Yeah, I said.
That's just the map was
Anything else?
Cheese and garlic.
Anything else for you?
Thank you.
You put that in the oven, don't you? Thank you very much.
The weather finally turns just before we sail away, and here's a glimpse of the work being carried out opposite the port as Royal turn this strip into their own private beach, due to open next year. Keep your eyes open for the piano man around the ship, or even catch him in the elevator. And now it's off for the aviation show in the theatre.
And welcome to Redestin Mars, our first Project Red Planet passengers to travel beyond the lunar base flood. Finally, this long-anticipated event, your voyage to Mars. Now we hope this journey will feel as smooth as sailing on a cruise ship. chosen.
Orville!
We look for you in the sky.
Your call. Heads. We'll see you in the sky, little brother.
Dare to dream, dare to fly, dare to be the chosen one to touch the sky. Dare to reach, dare to rise, dare to dream, dare to fly. Decide to be free.
Sadly, this is our last port day before we head back to New York, but join us as we have a fantastic day here at Perfect Day at Coco Cay, and come along with us as we return again to the brand new adults only zone here on the island at Hideaway Beach. So, just a short ride on the tram around the cove. Make sure you book your tickets in advance. And depending on your sailing and which ship you're on, you'll find the prices will vary. We paid roughly around $30. And currently, for our Icon sailing next year, Royal are asking $90. Unbelievable. Yeah, we'll come and have a drink in here before we go this time.
Good morning, welcome.
Morning.
You want to go get one at the front down there? Want to walk down the beach now? Or walk round? What, to where we were? I was going to say, do you want to go to the, by the pill book, front of the arch?
We had a super relaxing day here, lovely and sunny, while the sea was perfect for that cool down. Now it's time to leave, but first it's time for a drink out on the rocks. And what comes off the ship to service the island has to return back onto the ship as we prepare for a day at sea and back to New York. After having a fantastic day here at Perfect Day at Coco Cay, something we always try to do is go to a specialty dining venue, and tonight we're at 150 Central for our very first time. Make sure you left plenty of room for all this food. The garlic bread was warm and flavoursome with an assortment of breads and cheeses, followed by the seared honey glazed scallops and roasted organic beet salad, followed by the lamb Wellington and the caramel popcorn dessert to round off a great evening here at 150 Central, here in Central Park. And now it's off to the ice ring to round off the night with Skate 2. Thanks for following along with us, and if you haven't already, please consider a like and subscribe. It's free and it really does help us. And join us next time as we take you along on our last sea day and celebrate American Independence Day on the ship before we head for a day in New York ahead of our journey back home.